Hey, what's up guys? I'm from BSc Tech. If you have a smart television or smart TV and you're facing this problem, you can't hear the sound clearly, then today's video is about how to fix it. It's a quick video, so watch the video till the end. So here we have a classic problem. Then the users are unable to hear the sound clearly. So we need to do a couple of things. We need to test the sound by going inside the settings and then support, then self-diagnosis, and then start sound test. If your TV plays a start sound test melody without any distortion, there may be a problem with the external device or the broadcasting signal strength. If the TV plays the start sound test melody without distortion, there may be a problem with an external device or a broadcasting signal device and its strength. Here we have a classic example. The problem is there's no sound or the sound is too low at maximum volume. Then you need to try this. Check the volume control of your TV using your controller. Then the next thing is you need to check the volume control of external devices. For example, if you have a cable box or satellite box, DVD, Blu-ray, or a third-party hardware connected you need to your television, you need to go inside the sound output to TV speaker, setting sound output, and change it from there. If you're using an external device, check the device audio output option. We will do that in a second. And the picture is good, but there is no sound at all. This could be because of you have a faulty HDMI cable. You need to change that. You need to listen to computer sound, connect an external speaker to the computer's audio output connector. If your TV has a headphone jack, make sure there is nothing plugged into it. Reboot the connected device by disconnecting and then connecting the device power cable. Then you need to check the digital output audio format is set to Dolby Digital. If you're using a receiver that does not support Dolby Digital Plus, you will not hear any sound when you select Dolby Digital, which means there is no sound and no Dolby Digital is supported. This happens with a lot of older hardware, especially if you have a DVD player or a digital player which is attached and the format is no longer supported. Let's go inside the settings page and let's check the Dolby Digital and the sound problems. So here we have the support, and then we have self-diagnosis, start sound test. Okay, the sound was okay. If the self-diagnosis sound test is okay, please check your external devices and connections if the problem persists. Refer to the external device user manual. That is the case when we have the third-party hardware installed, for example, a DVD player or something else. Then we need to go inside the sound output, and in that event, if audio out or optical is attached, you need to select this, and then it will give you option to change the volume or the settings from here. Now right now it's not attached with the third-party speaker or a Bluetooth device or a DVD player, so it will set to TV speaker by default. So that's it for today's video, guys, on how to fix no sound problem on Samsung smart TVs. Any questions or feedback, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.